of all the animals you've ever heard about, like rhinoceroses and tigers, cats and mink. There are lots of funny animals in all this world, but have you ever seen a panther that is pink? Think! A panther that is positively pink. Well, here he is, the Pink Panther, the Pink Panther. Everybody loves a panther that's pink. He really is a groovy cat, and he's a gentleman, a scholar, he's a acrobat. He's in the Pink Panther, the rink-eating panther. And it's as plain as your nose that he's the one and only truly original panther, pink from head to toe. Yeah, he's the one and only truly original panther, Pink Panther from head to toe. It's true, it's new, and waiting for you. The new Pink Panther show. Pink Panther! Hooray! Pink Panther! It's #1 and loaded with fun. The new Pink Panther show.
And the aardvark, too.
So up with the curtain now, let's introduce the star. P-I-N-K-P-A-N-T-H-E-R. Get up, get out, get ready to shout, 'cause everyone should know that in this world, that's why it's with pantherly pride we bring to you the Panther Show. Yes, sir, it's all for you, and funnier too, 'cause it's the new Pink Panther Show. I-N-K-P-A-N-T-H-E-R, the new Pink Panther Show.
Pink Panther. Pink Panther. The Pink Panther. 1.5 hour and a half show. Here comes that fancy Dan, the Pink Panther. With his pack of wacky buffoons. He's sick of pink, this cat, because beneath his hat, he's got a lot of zany cartoons.
You'll see the great Inspector Clouseau, and fighting crime, he's always in the dark.
2 Texas Hold'em and an aardvark found around on our show. With catfish and a very hungry shark. Gotcha! Tell all your chums, here comes the Pink Panther. Pull up a chair, prepare for a laugh. Put on your happy face, this is the time and place to spend this snappy, happy hour and a half. The fancy dancing panther wants the whole world to know.
The wacky one is really comedy, there's no better show.
If you like laughing, here's your Pink Panther 1.5 hour and a half show.
Pink, 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 pink panther. Pink, 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 pink panther. Pink, 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 pink panther. Pink, Pink Panther Show. The Pink, Pink Panther Show. Who's #1 in the Panther Hall of Fame? Most anyone that you meet will know his name. Pink, pink, you know the cat I'm talking about. Pink, pink.